on Tuesday, let's kind of break down how Tuesday formed. So I took a trade here on Tuesday. I got in long. So why did I get long, right? What was the reasoning behind me getting long, right? So one of my favorite topics in trading, and I've been speaking to a lot of traders about this, is the idea of stacking confluences. So stacking confluences basically means you need 2, 3, 4 things in your favor when you look for a trade, right? Stacking confluences. So on Tuesday, my key level, so we're going to start by looking at key levels, right? So what makes a key level? A key level is a 15-minute fair value gap that is priced in the premium or the discount. Those are 2 confluences right off the bat. We're looking for a 15-minute fair value gap that is in premium or discount. Those are 2 confluences right here. So how am I looking at this price action? So I'm not too interested in the structural highs, structural lows, structural highs. What I'm interested in is this region over here. So this here was the key level, right? So what makes this a key level? It is the last candle before the start of the fair value gap. So we had a fair value gap here, here, and here. I'm just using the candle before the fair value gap, right? So I want every trader to see that. This is my key level. So ideally, we treat this as, I think in ICT they call it a breaker, but I just call it a fair value gap because it is a fair value gap. So when price comes into here, yes, we could see a sell-off, but I'm not really interested in shorting, right? So why am I not interested in shorting? Well, bigger picture. We are in discount, right? Because remember, our structural low is down here, our structural high is up here. We're in the discount, we're below this 50% area. That is step 1, right? Step 2, or confluence 2, is that we fill the gap over here, right? That's the next thing, right? Notice how this gap from here to here, this gap has been filled on Tuesday, right? This is we filled the gap. That is the second thing to kind of look out for. Now, the third thing to look out for, which makes